Good day everyone. Once again, this is Arvin Alonso demonstrating to you basics of IT application tools. In this video presentation, I would like to demonstrate how to copy or duplicate worksheet in the same worksheet, or copy or transfer to another workbook. And here's how to do it. Right click on the name of the sheet and then click on move or copy, and then since you're going to duplicate the worksheet on the same workbook, then click on create a copy, and then where will you place it? So you can just place it move to end, click OK. So you notice that the worksheet has been duplicated, so you just need to replace this one or rename this one. Okay, so that's how to copy a worksheet on the same workbook. How about if, let me just delete this one. How about if I would like to transfer it or copy it to another workbook? Take note that as much as possible, that workbook is already opened. So right click, move or copy, and then click here and select the existing workbook if you want to transfer it to an existing workbook. If you are going to transfer it on a new book, then simply click on this new book. Since I'm going to transfer, for example, on this workbook, I'll click on this and then click where to place it. Say for example at the end or right after main worksheet. Will I create a copy? If this is not checked, definitely this worksheet will be transferred to this new workbook. But if I'm going to click on create a copy, this worksheet will just be duplicated on another workbook. So I would like to duplicate it, create a copy, click OK. So you notice that you have now the TBL worksheet on this another workbook. And when we check on the file, the source file, still the worksheet is available. Why? Because we click on the create a copy. If this is, for example, to be transferred, for example, transfer it to new book, and I will not click on this, click OK, there needs to be at least one visible sheet in this workbook, at least. So let's try. There's a visible worksheet here. Right click, move or create, and then new book. I will not click on create a copy. Okay, so this worksheet has been transferred to book 2. What happens to the old file? The old file will only have the existing or remaining worksheet. So be careful on your decision whether to copy or to transfer the worksheet to another workbook. Thank you. I hope you learned something new in this presentation. God bless everyone.